Okay, Hylton Scott Talks. Bike riding. Yep, Walmart Marketplace in Colorado, Florida. There we are. Got some So Delicious dairy-free yogurt. Didn't get the silk kind. Coconut's supposed to be better. So, very good. Little 172, just a touch more than silk. Got 4. Ready to roll. Hello. Got a lot of ice. Yeah. Look at that ice. It's wet. This in. Got my refrigerator thing. This thing's been cooking. I've been out. Oh boy, we're cold. We're a touch below 30. I wonder if it'll freeze up. May not zip this one closed. Keep it real chilly. Maybe. Maybe not. Oh, zip it closed. I got my little zipper. Painted the main zipper white because it's got a string on it to help zip it around. Yay! Oops. Yay! Look at that. Ready to roll, baby. I can get home with that. It'll be fresh for the fridge, right? I can get ice cream with that. What a deal. Get some exercise, get some ice cream, yogurts. Have a good day. Thanks. Like and subscribe, share.